Tallboy experience. That's right, we're live at DBS Sounds. You want the experience? Man, Q, Slim, Mike, Daron, they here. It's their 5th album. 5th. Check out this experience I'm about to give you. Tallboy, we live at DBS Sounds. Check it out.
What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? What's cracking?
He being all shy right now.
Freezing.
My boy Tobago, I've been knowing him from over probably 25 years. And man, you know what I'm saying? Like, he's always looked out for us. So, you know what I mean? Feeling real good. You know what I'm saying? This is like a brisk, this is like a high 50 degrees right now. You know what I'm saying? It's a blistering 45 degrees. Right? You got 11 o'clock curfew.
How you doing?
So then I was like, all right, well, I'm feeling 8-11.
Oh, good.
What's up? I said, oh, you was talking. But the trash talking, I'm telling you, the trash talking was like ridiculous.
He saw little Q. He's here.
Oh, yeah, hey, yeah.
See nobody else but little Q. You see what he did?
The Tallboy Experience.
What up, y'all? This is 112 Q, Mike, Slim, and Daron. And check this out. If y'all want the experience, Tallboy's gonna give it to you. All right, A-Town, Zone 3 in this thing. One tweet.
If you want the exclusive, you want the Tallboy, because he's gonna bring you the exclusive.
Talk to him about that throwback movie.
Oh man, you know I grew up on 112. Man, I love you. Always listen to
You're
it.
talking to him on the phone right now.
I wish I was. Where they at? Where's Slim at? Where's Daron at? I wish I was. I'm loving the fact that it's a smaller, intimate crowd. And I like the intimacy of it. I love you guys, and I hope one of you comes sing at my wedding one day, because you sound amazing. Hey, I love you guys. Always have, always been a fan. Ain't nothing y'all can sing that don't sound good to me. I don't care what it is. So.
It's incredible. It really takes us back to, you know, day one, like 1996, and the Room 112 album, when we would hit the road and just do the in-stores, and then the fans would be waiting and sitting there. So it's definitely a great experience, humbling just to know that we're still in demand in this way. So, you know, we're just grateful.
Well, it was necessary. And I mean, this album right here it's like self-explanatory. Q, Mike, Slim, Daron, you hear all 4 cats definitely holding their own, doing their thing. And that's the point we were trying to prove with this album. We did a great job doing it.
I agree. We want to be remembered as the greatest to ever do this. No other 4-man group where all 4 cats are lead singers, are writers and producers, and you know, we want to go down as, I mean, simply put, man, just the best to ever do this.
Oh man, we were in New York. I definitely know that. Latin Quarters, and we definitely, it was a learning experience. But you know what, we did our thing, you know what I mean? So it marked day one, it comes full circle 21 years later, you know what I'm saying? We still doing our thing. It's amazing, it's a blessing.
To the fans, we want to say thank you so very much from the bottom of our hearts. Without you guys, there would not be a 112. There would not be a Q, Mike, Slim, and Daron. Please go out and get that album. It's in stores right now. Also, follow us on The Official 112 on Instagram and theofficial112.com for all information that regarding 112. Again, we thank y'all so very much. We love y'all. We out!
Did you like the video? That's right. Did you like it? Hit that like button. Subscribe. And
Think
share
big,
it.
think tall, think tall boy.